Critical update for Bitcoin. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. I want to remind everyone, first of all, remember this line and 2 bullish features and 1 warning for Bitcoin. That's right, guys. Just remember, I did provide you guys a real staunch warning when we got to this level of resistance previously. Bitcoin currently priced, guys, at, 37,930. We wanted to go through essentially just a quick recap. Since this level of capitulation, you guys see that warning that I gave you here, you're down. Let's go ahead and measure this real quickly. You guys know not financial advice, etc. Down 15.51%. Not excited about the price action to the downside unless you guys decided to short. I have a different chart up right now, and I'd like you guys please to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Former financial professional, not financial advice. Guys, Harvard Business School, Duke University, certified in markets. Let's talk about the specifics. I want to shout out to the VIP, the specific line of support. And I have a specific chart. I think you guys will like this specific chart. This purple area means something. That purple area is the 30. That's the 30 on the RSI, on the daily. You can see the contacts here with the 30 on the RSI. This purple area, okay, shaded in with the price line indicates a strike at the 30 on the RSI. Again, a strike at the 30 on the RSI on the daily. So you'll see some positive interaction on the daily chart. And I kind of have a warning. I say just a heads up. Let's call this a heads up. In terms of the RSI on the 4 hourly, I want you guys to pay attention. A lot of people will use the RSI on the 4 hourly as a reversal indicator, but you'll see that RSI at 30, okay, and the purple shaded area again interacting with the price level. You'll see it operate as a, there is a good discussion out there in terms of whether or not the RSI at a 30 level is more of an indication of momentum, i.e. it struck and it continues, price continues, it strikes and it continues, and that would be the buyers continuing to sell into oversold territory. It strikes again 30, so that's once continuation, second continuation, or a signal of momentum rather than reversal. Pardon me, guys. Another hit here again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again on the 5th turn here, guys. At the 5th turn, the 5th strike, I'd say, with the RSI in terms of that 30, hitting the 30 on the 4 hourly, we did achieve some positive price action, but it was after we really carved into that 30. Look at that. Okay, that's indicative. All of the price action here, the yellow line with that purple, that is at or below the 30 on the RSI. So we would look at that as either a reversal indicator or a continuation, or I'd say a continuation or momentum indicator. All right, please pay attention to that, because right now we are currently on the 4 hourly. We are on that specific 30. We are there. We have struck it once, twice, 3 times. Recently, we've been using that as more of a momentum indicator, something that we could say, well, buyers have begun to sell. They're in oversold, and they're continuing to sell into that oversold territory. Again, in this more recent zone here, hitting the 30 on the RSI, continuing to sell into oversold territory. So amidst that specific kind of heads up, and I hope you guys appreciate just the higher line technicals that we try and bring to you. On the daily, we're at a crucial level. Just real quickly, we're at this crucial level in terms of trying to maintain the support. We don't want to set a candle below this specified area of support. I will tell you on the candle wicks, you'll see quite a bit of price action below the actual lines on the daily. So be aware of that. In terms of the 4 hourly, you'll see a little bit more price action there and below, giving us a lower estimation in terms of that overall level of support that needs to be maintained. You understand, we're looking at an ascending triangle. Very, very bullish. We just need the bulls to maintain, guys. Need the bulls to continue to step in. If the bulls, for whatever reason, fail, I want to let you know in terms of failing to maintain an ascending line, I say to conform or to fulfill the pattern work of this flat top resistance. Very, very well settled here. Flat top resistance, at least the last 2 hits, and general conformance therewith, I'd say within all 3 or 4 hits there along the top. What I will say is if buyers fail to maintain this level of support, just recall in this zone, we had a lot of hits down into the then 50% retracement, that 50% retracement, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits down into that general area of retracement. It wasn't until we really dug down into it on the line that we really slingshot it back to the upside. We caught that in the back. We caught that little ascending triangle. So we're looking forward to additional price developing. I have not really, I got to tell you guys, I did not cut a video because I'm just waiting for some sort of patterning that is beyond this specific warning just being one of the best calls that we've given you you guys in a long time. I think you guys received it well, and a few of you nailed some shorts. Way to go. Way to go, VIP. That's our top level of membership. If you're not a subscriber, guys, please subscribe. And if you'd like to join the top trade group, guys, we've got it from Angel on Top. Invested in Bitcoin at $7.79. He makes this his home. Restricted VIP zone. Go ahead and, guys, it's $100 a month. We want to make sure that you belong and you want to be a part of the group. It's real easy. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. I'm going to allow the price action to continue to develop while the traders are looking at it. And I would say this. Are currently looking at just real simple targets. We always say buy at support, sell at resistance, right? Trade your patterns and hit your target. So they're in line. We have the golden pocket, guys. The 61.8 to the 65th has pulled up nicely. We have the 786 and the 86% in that full retracement. We're just looking for buyers ultimately to step in. If you're being patient right now, waiting for the completion of this or the satisfaction of the formation here, the formulation of the buyers to pick up and maybe a nice ascending triangle to step into, I'll tell you, if you have not traded Bitcoin yet or you're looking forward to your next trade, this may be a monster of a trade, okay? So we're looking forward to bringing you guys the details. This is London. I appreciate your time. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We did stream earlier on. If you guys have not participated in our stream, make sure you have all notifications on. And we look forward to bringing you more in terms of top technicals, pardon me, guys, with Bitcoin. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and Crypto Kingdom. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.